Lutron and Caseta hub of lot search dimmer started with a smart one hub and P dash B D G dash P K G 1 W dash vaccine yes with that I can and that's and then one this is C number next we code and then that one and then is a sage and animal and a hub and wire and the internet cable and what is that one other one is manual and the internet wire this is search is that one and a hub is that one is a hub. This is a new one for Lutron and search and dimmer original one kill a smart dimmer unboxing Lutron bar Caseta Lutron a smart dimmer kill started and it has a hub and an app and a remote so yeah easy setup tab app is a Lutron and share and comment